In this video, I'm going to show you how to change paragraph spacing in LibreOffice Writer in just a few easy steps. This is really useful if you want your document to look cleaner, more readable, or more professional without having to manually add extra blank lines everywhere. Whether you're working on an essay, a report, or any other document, adjusting paragraph spacing can make a big difference in the overall layout. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look at the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. Once your document is open, find the paragraph that you want to edit. You can click anywhere inside that paragraph to place your cursor in it, or select the paragraph if you want to make sure you're adjusting the correct one. Now, go up to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down menu, choose Paragraph. This will open the Paragraph Settings window where you can control several formatting options for the selected paragraph. In this window, look for the Indents and Spacing tab. That is where you'll find the spacing controls you need. Inside the Indents and Spacing tab, look for the Spacing section. Here, you'll see options for spacing above and spacing below the paragraph. If you want more room before the paragraph starts, increase the spacing above. If you want more rooms after the paragraph ends, increase the spacing below. You can also reduce the values if the paragraph is too far away from the surrounding text. This is the main step that lets you fine-tune the look of your document and create the exact amount of white space you want. Take a moment to adjust the spacing values until the paragraph looks right for your document. If you're formatting a formal report or assignment, a small amount of spacing can make the page easier to read. If you're building a document with sections or headings, you may want slightly more spacing so each part stands out clearly. The best part is that LibreOffice Writer gives you precise control, so you're not just guessing with empty lines. Once you've made your changes, click OK to apply them. Your paragraph spacing will update immediately. If you want to format more paragraphs the same way, you can repeat the process for each one, or use the same spacing settings as needed throughout the document. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change paragraph spacing in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.